Imagine a world where 3D printing is in every hospital, where an implant you receive is designed specifically for you, where every surgery utilizes patient-specific technologies and tools.
The impact and success rates of surgeries are going to go way up. Therefore, life expectancy will go way up.
I'm Katie Weimer. I'm the Vice President of Medical Devices at 3D Systems Healthcare. We really are revolutionizing precision healthcare, utilizing 3D printing technologies. When 3D printing was invented, it was actually invented for prototyping applications. We've taken that same base technology and directed it towards specific healthcare solutions. We're able to manufacture personalized guides and models and implants that can be used in all different types of surgeries. We typically start with a CT scan or an MRI of a patient, and we convert that into a three-dimensional digital model, so a CAD model. It's a one-to-one accurate representation of the patient's anatomy. Or we can take it and do what we call virtual surgical planning, where a surgeon will actually get online before an operation and pre-plan out their surgical procedure. Virtual surgical planning is really a game changer. It allows these surgeons to practice in a completely digital environment. By the time they get to the OR, they've effectively already done the case once or twice. We were recently lucky enough to be a part of a separation of conjoined twins in New York. The surgical team used our 3D printing models and virtual surgical planning very extensively. But what really made this cutting edge is we were able to create a visualization of the vessel mapping that was very critical in the operation to help to decide where they actually should eventually cut the vessels to allow for separation of the brain. The most exciting part of 3D printing in healthcare is really about the personalization. You can't do this with traditional manufacturing, and it's about thinking outside the box. For me, as an engineer, somebody that loves technology, to be able to apply that towards helping other humans, especially helping other kids, is really special. And I think we're really only at the beginning of it. So this is a paradigm shift in healthcare, and we're very excited to be at the forefront of it.
One of the great risks in surgery is when you open the human body, it's an incredible mechanism that no one can ever perfectly envision. So this, at 3D Systems, really changes the landscape for how we handle opening the human body and performing surgery going forward. And that, to me, is what the rewrite is all about.